basically going to show us how to create products both in pack and in pieces, and as well indicate the equivalent selling price for pack in pieces, and as well sell them on point of sale, how to go about it. So first, you come to product. There are certain products that they sell in pieces, and they also sell those products in packs. But instead of creating both pieces and pack products separately, you can basically create a product and leave it in the basic unit, which is in pieces. So take for example the nano one that we created earlier, this NAN, right? This particular NAN Optro 1 now. So let's assume we have 10 packs. And this 10 packs makes a carton. You get, let's say 10 packs makes a carton. So invariably we have one carton now with these 10 pieces. 10 pieces make a carton. Invariably we have one carton now with these 10 pieces. So we don't need to leave the unit in carton. And but basically we can now create it in a way that our unit will be in list unit, which is in pieces. Then we'll be able to as well sell either in pieces and in carton. And if you are selling in carton, it might come in cheaper price than when we sell in pieces. So let's say a pieces is 10.5, but when you sell a carton, one pieces inside the carton might probably be equivalent of maybe 10,002. You understand? So by the time you multiply 10,002 by 10, that will probably give us like 100,000, 102,000 or thereabout, instead of 100, maybe 110,000. You get. So now let's look at how we can achieve that. So basically, we've created a nano Optro already. So we're basically going to come to edit this product first. So once we come to edit here, we're going to look at, it's available in pieces. Then we'll activate the subunit in pieces and in pack. But first of all, let's go to check the units. Do we have it available? 10 pieces makes a pack, a carton, right? So let's see, do we have something like that already created, like pack of 10? So let me create another one in our presence so you understand. So I can say cat of 10, carton of 10, right? So I can say cat 10, then allow decimal, yes, add as multiple for them. So one carton of 10 pieces. Then we save. So 10 pieces makes one carton. I've created that unit now. So we can come back to, now for you in your account, by default, you might not have subunits. So you come back to settings again, right? You come to product as well, right? So we want to activate subunit here. Activate subunit, enable subunit. You see there, you enable subunit in your account in that place. Then you come back to product and services. You search the NaN Optro, right? You search the NaN Optro. Now, even before we do that, in your account as well, you should activate something. You should activate group price, group selling price. So you come to selling price group, and you can now come and create your sub selling price, which is bulk price. You don't have anything yet before, just click on add, and maybe carton price or something. Already have bulk price, so you just create the name bulk price like I have there, and you save. You understand? Then you come back to product and services. Then you search your NaN Optro 1, your NaN Optro 1, right? Then you edit it. So by editing now, what do we arrive at here? You come to unity species already, you now select it and say, okay, we sell it in pieces, or we also sell it in carton of what? Of 10. You get that now? Then you can now come back to the bottom here and click on update and edit what? Stock. Not that, I'm not editing stock right now. You can say update and edit group price, save and add group price. So you click on group price. We already have selling price, you understand, which is at the first selling price was 10.54 per pieces inside the carton. But what will be the selling price for a pieces inside the carton? So let's say it's 10,200. So if we're selling a pieces inside carton, it's 10,200. So let's now say we have more stock. Save and add stock. Let's say we're adding 3 extra carton. So that means we're adding 30. We are increasing this 10 to 40. You understand? I'm able to change this now because I've not even sold. I've not sold anything from this stock. But if I've started selling, I can't change this opening stock. Just note that. Then I basically save now. So we've created this product now. We've created it to be able to sell it in carton and in pieces. So when we go to the POS now to try to sell, if I'm selling in pieces, I can just basically search my NaN Optro, right? This is it, 10,500. Selling 1, I'm selling 2, you can just increase like that. So don't mind my column here. You can see that the price change. I think I've activated some stuff and probably it's reflecting. So on the point of sale, you can be in the first selling price. So basically that one will give you the price of 1, right, which is 10.5. And if you are selling a pack to the customer by default, before even searching, you change the unit to bulk price. Then you change the price to bulk price and search the product. Then it's going to be up to 1 at 10,200 per pieces. then you can change these pieces to carton of 10. So by selling this carton of 10 means you've sold one carton. By selling this one carton of 10, normally you can leave it in pieces and increase this 10 to 10. You see that it's still the same thing. That means you increase the pieces to 10. But instead of start doing that, you can basically, once it's in one, just change the pieces to what cat, and system will multiply it for you to sell in carton. So now that you sold that in carton, you can now finalize. But there are instances that you want to sell in pieces and in carton for the customer, so you have to activate that feature quickly. You go to settings, you go to settings. So that means you want to be able to sell both pieces and carton on the same invoice for the same customer. I don't maybe understand that. So you want to be able to sell in 2 units for that same customer on the same invoice. So you come to sales under settings, then you come to increase item quantity if already, or add a new row. Just click add a new row. So which means that you don't need to increase quantity when you switch between price units. And what is what it gives you? You are selling pieces to the customer now. You leave it at the default selling price, right? So okay, let me change the location. So you're selling pieces to the customer, so you leave it at the first selling price, right? 10.5. Then you want to still sell at block to the customer, so you change to block price and you search none. And instead of adding to the quantity, another row comes up. You understand? 10 to 10.5. So this one, I change it to what? The carton, right? That's one carton. Then you click on cash to finalize. You sold this particular item just by doing that. And if you go back to your invoice, to your products and services, let's go back to products and services and check that our NAN and see how many units has been sold from it. So NAN, right? So if you check product stock history now, to show us that we've sold 11 units. 11 units will have been sold. So let's check. So here it is. Can you see that now we have 40? We've sold 10. That's the one we sold in pack, and then the one we sold in single one. So we've sold 10, 11. So our new unit is now 29 from the 40. I think we get this. Thank you very much.